Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yemi. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for clicking onto this video. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. If you guys like Lash, if you guys like Lash tech videos or haul videos or weekly vlogs, I do a lot of those on this channel, so make sure you guys are subscribed. But yeah, today is September 29. It's about to be October real soon, but by the time this video is up, it'll be like October 1st or October 2nd. I just finished my first client of the day. She was a mega volume fill-in, so I just did her set, and my next client is not until later on today. So I kind of want to like deep clean my suite and then change up my suite, like get rid of my AC that's out because it's cold. I don't feel like I need that AC anymore, so I'm gonna put it away and just like deep clean, because one thing about my suite, y'all, it gets really dusty in here. So I want to fully like dust everything, spray everything, sweep, maybe mop. So yeah, I think I should go to Target first. I want to go to Target and Burlington. I want to get like some fall pieces to like decorate my suite a little bit, but I want it to still be girly. Like I don't want no orange or no green or anything like that. Like my color schemes is pink, black, and silver, and I want to stick to that color scheme. But I want to see what like Burlington has. Let's go, y'all. I'm just wearing, let me show you guys. I'm just wearing my essentials hoodie and my Uggs. This is actually cute and it's giving like fall. Kind of like this. I could be like this. I'm gonna say find a cart. Like this too. But this is way too big. So we're back. I want to do a little haul for you guys. First of all, the lines were ridiculous in every store I was at. I didn't get anything from Target because Target prices didn't seem worth buying, because I'm only gonna have these things up for like what, like a week or 2 months. I didn't want like any skulls or like anything crazy like that. I don't know, because I'm like still indecisive if I want to like make this place look fallish or I don't know. So I'm like, I'm not even gonna splurge on something I'm not too sure of. So I didn't get anything from Target, but even though they had like really cute things in there, they had like cute pumpkins, but like it was like $25. I'm like, I'm not buying that. So I went to Burlington. I spent $19 there. And I just got these 2 pumpkins. This one is like a pink color, but I don't know if the camera's like picking up the true color of it. But this one is pink. And then I also got a white one. Hold on. So I got a pink one and I got a white one. I just don't like the fact that the top of it is gold because gold is not part of my color scheme, but I like the fact that it was pink and white. So I'm gonna replace my two little doggies, maybe. I might replace these. I'm not sure because these are still cute. Like, these are mad cute. So whatever. I got that from Burlington, and then I went to Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, y'all, wiped out. Like, I was trying to get some water because I'm running out of water in here for my clients. So I wanted to get water for them, but that place was empty. So Thursday is not a good day to go there. But I ended up getting some cleaning supplies just so I can wipe down this table. And then I got this creepy cloth. I was thinking about like attaching it to my mirror. Hopefully it looks like this, because if it doesn't look like this, I will take it off my mirror. And then I ended up getting a whole bunch of snacks. And then I got these black glitter bats I can probably attach to these. So we'll see how everything turns out. If it looks tacky, I will take everything down. So, and I don't want it to look tacky. I just wanted to like just give my clients some holiday spirit, because I don't know, I think it's cute, but we'll see. Yes, it's been a couple of days. I didn't get to finish because my client came in and I went home. All right, but I did want to show you. I was gonna show you what I got from Amazon, but I'm thinking I should just do an Amazon haul and like show you guys my favorite things to use as a lash tech from Amazon, because you guys asked me a lot of questions of what I use, what do you recommend, all those kind of stuff. So I'm definitely gonna do a video for you guys of letting you guys know my favorite items. But I do want to open up my lash supplies, because I did order a bunch of lashes and I didn't put them away. So when you order a whole bunch of lashes, they usually put it in these white trays. I feel like no matter where you're ordering from, I feel like if you're ordering from China, they put them all in these white trays. And these are my lash trays. they will be in stock very soon once I figure out like how I want to decorate my trays. But for now, I don't know yet, but they will be in stock very soon. So yeah, I just ordered a bunch of these because I needed to be stocked. I ordered a bunch of like 22s, 16s, because I go through 16s like crazy. What else is in here? More 16s. Yeah, I go through 16s like crazy. So, and then I also have D curl, I have B curl, I have J curl. I have all the curls. So yeah, they will definitely be in stock very soon. You guys also ask me a lot what kind of lashes I use, and I use my own lashes, and that's how I get my sets to look very dark. So yeah, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, Lash by Yami, so you guys can know what I restock once I launch my tray. So I can't wait. So yeah. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys like what I did with my suite. I had a little decoration, nothing too crazy, but let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.